Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create multiple Chrome profiles so you can keep your browsing separate for work, personal use, or different projects. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice your profile icon there, which typically displays either a generic avatar or your Google account picture if you're signed in. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various profile management options. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Add Chrome Profile. Click on this option to begin creating a new profile. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to maintain completely separate browsing histories, bookmarks, extensions, and settings for different purposes, ensuring your work browsing stays distinct from your personal activities. Next, a new window will pop up asking you to choose how you'd like to set up your profile. You'll see two main options here, sign in or stay signed out. If you choose to sign in, you can connect the profile to a Google account which syncs your bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. However, for this example, let's click Stay Signed Out. This keeps the profile completely local to your device without any Google account connection, which is perfect if you want a lightweight profile or don't need syncing features. After selecting Stay Signed Out, you'll be prompted to personalize your new profile. In the name field, add a name or label that clearly identifies what this profile is for. For instance, you might call it Work, Freelance Projects, or Personal Browsing. Choosing a descriptive name makes it much easier to switch between profiles later when you have multiple ones set up. Below the name field, you'll see a selection of theme options. These themes change the color scheme of your Chrome browser for this specific profile, making it visually distinct from your other profiles. Choose a theme that appeals to you or one that helps you quickly identify which profile you're currently using. Once you've selected your preferred theme, click the Done button to finalize the creation of your new Chrome profile. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new Chrome profile. Now, if you need to create multiple profiles, you can simply repeat this entire process. Just click on your profile icon again, select Add Chrome Profile, and go through the same steps with different names and themes for each additional profile you want to create. This way you can have as many separate browsing environments as you need, all neatly organized within a single Chrome installation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.